Before you can print in the UTC mapper, you'll need to make sure that pop-ups are enabled. If you're unsure of how to do this in your browser, consult the help menu for that browser. I'm using Microsoft Internet Explorer, so I would go to the settings icon in the top right. Then I would go to Internet Options and the Contents tab to enable pop-ups. Again, if you're unsure of how to do this, search for Enable Pop-ups in your browser's help. Now to go back to my map, and then I'm going to click on the print icon that's located on the top toolbar in the mapper. When I click on the print icon, I should get a print dialog box that pops up in the middle of my screen. This is the print dialog box, and as you can see, there are several options here. These are all set with the default, which you can use, but you'll likely want to change these to customize your map. First, I'm going to change the title to reflect my map's location. And I can do that simply by clicking and typing. I'm also going to add some text to the author line of the map. And then here I have the copyright information, but I'm going to leave that alone. This is pre-filled with all of the sources of data in the map, and I don't really have anything to add here. Under Templates, the next option, there are really only two options in the drop-down box. The first option gives me a full map layout in a standard size. And the second option, which is labeled Map Only, will give me just the map without the rest of the layout elements like title, legend, etc. So I'm going to stick with the top option here so that I get a full map layout. It's important to note that this print dialog prints to a file, not directly to a printer. So the next option, File Format, you'll get a drop-down list where you can choose the output file format that you want. I'm going to stick with the PDF format, but you can see there are several other image output formats that are available. The next option, Scale, allows you to include or exclude the map scale on your layout. I'm going to go ahead and include it on mine. The number showing for scale is the scale of the current map view. You can actually set a specific map scale in the scale box if you wish, rather than what's used in the current map view. And you can also easily exclude scale from your map layout simply by unchecking the box. Now I'm ready to print, so I'll click the green print button in the lower right corner. After you click print, there will be several messages in italics within the print window as it's working. After a few moments, you'll have your map pop up in a separate tab. And here's my map, again opening automatically in a new tab in my browser. If the print dialog box says the map is finished, but you don't get a map in a new tab, you probably still have pop-ups disabled. So go back and check your pop-up settings and try again. And now I can scroll down in my browser and take a look at the rest of my map. And now I can see all the customizations that I made in the print dialog have taken effect. From here, I can save this output file from my browser. Then I could email it, send it to a printer, or any number of things.